Hi. So this is Site 74. This is the latest version of the game. Um, it's incomplete. It's basically a minimum viable prototype. Um, but the interface is very basic. This is more representative of an interface I'd create in comparison to the 2021 archive. You can select what class you want. For our purposes, we'll go with Class D. Um, didn't get around to creating a um, custom proximity prompt. Um, the door system here is something I'm very proud of. I think it's basically the best version I've created, which is a big deal because I've been creating doors for the past 6 years. These walls are using PBR textures, some very basic textures. I think it fits the aesthetic better. It adds a bit more depth and detail to it. I quite like it. Over here, you've got the SCPs themselves. So over here, you've got a very annoying SCP. Oh, it's there. It's SCP-173. There's no model for it yet. Oh, Christ almighty, that somehow scared me. I should be ashamed of myself. Yeah, it's eh, because the site detection is run on the server, it can be a bit dodgy with moving when it's being observed. How the hell am I going to get out of this? Okay, there we go. Hopefully it doesn't. Yeah, there we go. Typically, it would be considered observed when viewed through Windows, but didn't implement that because it wasn't necessary. Over here, you've got a very basic SCP-008 using a disease framework. It's a pretty basic disease framework I created. It uses metatables and object-oriented programming. So I'm now infected. It's got a 30-second period in which no symptoms appear, and then your animation changes. There we go. I'm now a zombie. And after another 70 seconds, I will die. Um, but that's kind of boring. Dying um, doesn't actually bring you back to the main menu because of the way it works. I was going to fix that, but I didn't. If you hold M, you get back to the menu, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Um, Pretty much every material here uses some sort of PBR. The floor uses PBR, the walls use PBR, and the metal pillars just have an increased no increased um, what was it, roughness, I think. No, decreased roughness. I can't remember. Anyway, yeah, that's the game. I do recommend playing. Oh, yeah, these button models were created by me in Plasticity. Um, they look quite good. I do recommend playing to get a good feeling for the sounds. I'm aware that my screen recording software doesn't record sounds, but the doors are really quite satisfying to use. So I do recommend playing. Anyway, yeah, there you go.